guys! Today we're going to have cheese. It's not cheese, just a regular burger. Fried some piece in it, but enjoy the ASMR. ASMR. Hi guys! We're going to have Python burger. Wala siyang mayo. I really love mayo in burgers. Sadly, wala siya dito.
Pero ayaw sa akin na. They're like you for me.
No, I can really do bite a burger. Right now, makang burger. I can eat it in 2 bites or maybe 3. 1 bite. Bakit kami ko lang dito? It's time for dessert. Kasi si Tom's malino for us. Hindi ko sure. Oh, super fresh. Chocolate cake. Galit ni Ate Christine. Tama daw siya. Huwag ka na si, ano mo lang, tinidor. I will enjoy it. Masarap. Sobrang tamis. Sakto lang pagkatamis siya. Like, hindi siya yung tamis na nakakaumay. Alam niyo yun. Yan. Millennial post. So, yan. Si JP, nag-join siya. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Kasi, mostly sa mga chocolate cake, super tamis talaga. Like, you can't stand the sweetness of the chocolate.
That's why I love chocolate.
I don't really prefer sweet things. I prefer savory things. I'm between sweet or savory.
I'm going sweet.
I'll go with savory.
Yes, and that's okay.
Kasi you can't live without savory.
For me, savory is just a chef's kiss.
No. Savory is the main dish, period.
Savory is
Yung
my
last
second favorite dish.
Kasi you can't really eat sweets the whole day, di ba? Have a day without sweets.
You also can't with savory. I eat savory most of the time, but that doesn't mean it's my favorite.
Or sweet. If I were to choose.
Sweet.
Kasi what if walang tubig, di ba? Survive without water. If you choose savory food. But with sweet, you can stand it. Like, it's going to drive you crazy. You're going to look, oh my gosh, last piece. You're going to look
Sweet.
everywhere for water.
Sweet. Sweet.
Talaga.
Sweet.
Talaga.
Sweet. Sweet. Sweet.
Consume before June 13. It's a finger-licking good cake. Diet from now on because of the chocolate, the amount of chocolate I have. Ito to teacher mo.
No.
It says, that was a piece of cake.
Tapos na ako.
Thank you everyone for watching. It was a good cake. Finger lick. Bye-bye! Ano sabihin mo kay mama? Hindi niya alam na punta tayo. Hello? Hello? Like, it's been a month, maybe.
Kaya pala kinakanta mo, te. Yan pala yun. Ikot-ikot